Eighth problem. Prove that if 1 less than or equal to or less than or equal to n, then n c n into n minus 1 c or minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 into n c r. Now I want to take the left hand side, n into n minus 1 into c r minus 1. Okay, keep this n as it is here. So I can write this n minus 1 c r minus 1 as n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. N is n minus 1 here. So I can write this as n minus 1 factorial divided by r is r minus 1. So I can write r minus 1 factorial into n minus r. Okay. So now I want to simplify this thing there in the bracket. So that I have at the numerator n into n minus 1 factorial as it is there. At the denominator I can write this as n minus 1 minus of r minus 1 is nothing but n minus 1 minus r plus r here. So I can write like this. So if you simplify here, minus 1 and plus 1 will goes off. The remaining thing I have n minus r. So that factorial is n minus r factorial. So now I want to write this as that fraction thing as n factorial into, keep this n minus 1 factorial as it is, and I want to multiply and divide by n minus r plus 1 here. So here also n minus r plus 1. Keep the remaining thing as it is, n minus r factorial. And then I can write this as here n into n minus 1 as n factorial, isn't it? So this n into n minus 1 factorial can be written as n factorial. Keep this thing as it is here, and then here r minus 1 factorial into this thing can be written as n minus r factorial, isn't it? So I can write this as n minus r plus 1 factorial here. I want to simplify that thing, numerators and denominators as well as. Okay, and then keep this n minus r plus 1 like this, so that the n factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. It's nothing but the formula is here, this n minus r plus 1 into n c r minus 1. Okay. Ninth sum. If a kabaddi coach has 14 players ready to coach the play, how many different teams of 7 players the coach put on the court? Okay, the 7 players must be selected from 14 players. Already we have 14 players totally. We want to select 7 players. Okay, so I can have this as that 7 players must be selected from 14 players is nothing but 14 C 7 ways. Okay, so that is NCR. That NCR formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So I can write this as 14 factorial divided by r is 7 factorial and r, n minus r is 14 minus 7 factorial. So that I have 14 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 7 factorial. Then I want to simplify this thing. This 14 from 1 I have that 7 factorial we can write, because at the denominator we have 7 factorial. So we can stop here itself. And then here I can cancel this 1 7 factorial and 7 factorial. The remaining things, if you simplify this, we can get the answer 3432. In the second division, there are 15 persons in a party. If each two of them shakes hands with each other, how many handshakes happen in the party? There are 15 persons. Okay, so in that 15 persons, they want to handshake from 2 persons. Okay, so how many handshakes will be happen in the party is the question here. So number of handshakes equal to that 15C2. Okay, from this I want to simplify that thing. That's all. 15C2 is 15 factorial divided by r factorial is 2 factorial. N minus r is 15 minus 2 factorial. Therefore, 15 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 15 minus 2 is 13. So, I can simplify the numerator as from 15 to 15 into 14 into 13 factorial. We stop here because at the denominator we have 13 factorial, and then I can cancel these two. So, and then here 2 and 14. So, the remaining things are 105. So, the number of handshakes equal to 105 here. 13th third sum. How many chords can be drawn through 20 points on a circle? In a circle, how many chords can be drawn through 20 points? Okay, so to draw one chord we need 2 points. To draw a chord we need 2 points. Okay, here it's given 20 points. So among this 20 I want to calculate this 20C2. Number of ways equal to 20C2. So NCR is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here r is 2, n is 20. So 20 minus 2 is 18 factorial. This 20 factorial can be written as 20 into 19 into 18 factorial. We stop here, and 18 factorial and 18 factorial will goes off. The remaining here and here we can cancel. So the answer is 190. Fifth sum. In a packing lot, 100 1-year-old cars are parked. In a parking, 1-year-old cars are parked. Out of them, 5 are to be chosen at random to check its pollution devices. How many different sets of 5 cars can be chosen? Here, that 100 cars are parking. Out of the 100 cars, we want to select 5 cars, the set of 5 cars, isn't it? So, number of ways is 100C5. So, 100C5 is NCR. That NCR is n factorial divided by n r factorial into n minus r factorial. So, n is 100 factorial, r is 5 factorial, and n minus r is 100 minus 5 factorial. 100 minus 5 is 95 factorial. This 100 factorial can be written as 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 into 96 into 95 factorial. We stop here. Divided by that 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 95 factorial. I can cancel this 95 factorial and 95 factorial like this, and if we cancel everything and simplify, we can get the answer like this. Fifth division. How many ways can a team of 3 boys, 2 girls and 1 transgender be selected from 5 boys, 4 girls and 2 transgenders? We want to select a team of 3 boys, 2 girls and 1 transgender from 5 boys, 4 girls and 2 transgenders. Here it is given total number of boys is 5 and girls 4 and transgender 2. Out of this I want to select from 5 boys, 3 boys should be selected. So 5C3, and out of 4 we have to select 2 girls, that is 4C2. Out of 2 transgenders we want to select 1, that is 2C1. Okay, now number of ways equal to 5C3 into 4C2 into 2C1. Just multiply everything and simplify that. That NCR formula, n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Like this, here also the same formula I want to substitute here. Then 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 divided by this 2 factorial into this 3 factorial is 3 into 2, that is 6 here. And then keep this 4 factorial as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by, for these two, 2 into 2 here, and put this 2 also as it is here. And then I want to cancel everything.